Residents are cleaning up after a tornado struck Ringgold Monday night, and more storms are in the forecast. Thunderstorms are expected in the area Thursday through Sunday, with plenty of rain coming over the weekend. Monday's tornado touched down just before 8 p.m. Authorities say the F1 tornado damaged 7 homes. Most of that heavy damage happened around Morning Glory Drive, not far from where a tornado ripped through in 2011. This time, though, residents say they heard no sirens and no warnings about the storm. But thankfully, no fatalities and no injuries have been reported.